This is the fourth part of Topper's Choice Electrical Engineering Online MCQs. पास जो वीडियोस थी उसमें हमने NTTC 2021, नेस्कॉम और नेप्रा को डिस्कस कर लिया था. ये हमारी फोर्थ वीडियो होगी जिसमें हम OGTCL 2021 का जो पेपर हुआ था फॉर इंटर्नशिप उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो 2021 का पेपर है हमारे पास. अ वेरी एक्यूरेट वोल्ट मीटर व्हेन यूज्ड टू मेजर voltage across a low resistance gives inaccurate reading because the sensitivity of the meter is too low. A cordless telephone using separate frequencies for transmission in base and portable units is known as duplex arrangement. Dash refers to the rate of energy supplied or converted by the appliances or circuit. So power इसका correct option था. The utilities used to generate electricity exclusively are synchronous machine. If a fuse is inserted in a circuit and it blown again due to current is too high in the circuit. Power rating of resistors depends upon indirectly color coding. The purpose of synchronous oscilloscope is to lock the signal, which is light in weight for same operation. So single phase induction motor is light in weight. In television for communication, which adjustment is made? Phase adjustment. Fundamental property used in single node pair circuit analyzer is that voltage across all the element is same. ये जो MCQs हैं ये एक्चुअली पास पेपर से लिए गए थे, ठीक है, जो कि स्मार्ट सीरीज़ का जो फर्स्ट एडिशन था वहाँ से ये पिक किए गए थे. If field resistance of a DC generator is increased beyond its critical value, the generator will not build up. A semiconductor device is connected in a series circuit with a battery and a resistance. If the polarity of battery is reversed, the current drops almost to zero. The device may be PN junction. ये जितने भी हैं ये सारे के सारे पास पेपर से पिक किए गए थे. ऑलमोस्ट 35 MCQs जो थे वो OGTCL में पास पेपर से ही पिक किए गए थे. सो जब भी आप OGTCL के लिए जाएं आपने पास पेपर्स को लाजमी स्टडी करना है. पास पेपर आपको अच्छा स्कोर लेने में हेल्प करेंगे. If we have 2 points, green function method is useful technique for solving partial differential equation. If we have 2 points A and B on node and voltage is represented by VAB, then dash is taken as reference. So VAB है, so VA जो होगा वो उसका reference होगा, B जो है वो source होगा. So VAB, then that node A is taken as reference. In submarine power system, power is transmitted through high voltage DC current. Stepper motor is a DC type motor. If all the conducting objects are bounded to same earth grounded system, the risk of electric shock will be minimized. Passive model include resistance, inductance and capacitance. Motor stationary part is a stator. Stator जो है वो stationary part होता है. Fourier series or infinite series of elementary trigonometric sine and cosine. A system is marginally stable if its natural response neither decays nor grows but oscillates. Voltage source in series with a passive resistance is replaced by a current source in parallel with the same resistance is known as source transformation. DC generator have commutator on rotating shaft that converts AC into DC. There are 4 types of dependent sources depending upon controlling variable and outputs. Natural uranium contain U-235, 0.7% of uranium-235. The continuous time signal is defined for all values of the time. So ये पेपर जो था ये हमारा कौन सा था, OGTCL 2021 का. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम वापडा जूनियर इंजीनियर 2021 के पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे.